Hacking techniques in cybersecurity. In the realm of cybersecurity, understanding hacking techniques is crucial for protecting sensitive information. Hacking refers to the exploitation of vulnerabilities in software or systems, a constant battle between malicious actors and security professionals. By studying these techniques, one can anticipate potential threats and fortify defenses against cyber intrusions. One common hacking technique is phishing, where attackers deceive individuals into revealing personal information. Phishing often employs emails or messages that appear legitimate, luring victims into clicking malicious links. This technique preys on human vulnerability, showcasing the importance of awareness and education in preventing such attacks. Organizations must train employees to recognize red flags and report suspicious communications, effectively reducing the risk of falling victim to phishing scams. Another prevalent method is SQL injection, a type of vulnerability targeting databases. Hackers insert malicious SQL code into input fields, manipulating the database to extract sensitive data. This technique highlights the need for secure coding practices and regular database audits. Developers must sanitize inputs, use parameterized queries, and employ web application firewalls to bolster security against such attacks, ensuring that data remains safeguarded from unauthorized access. Denial of service, DoS. Attacks represent a disruptive strategy where hackers bombard a network or server with overwhelming traffic, causing it to crash. This attack can cripple businesses, affecting accessibility and revenue. Implementing robust network monitoring and traffic filtering systems can help mitigate the risks associated with DoS attacks. By establishing contingency plans and redundancy measures, organizations can maintain service continuity even amidst attacks. Furthermore, social engineering exploits human psychology rather than solely technical vulnerabilities. Attackers manipulate individuals into divulging confidential information, bypassing traditional security measures. Security awareness training is essential in equipping individuals with the skills to recognize and resist social engineering tactics, reinforcing a culture of security within organizations. In conclusion, understanding various hacking techniques is vital for enhancing cybersecurity. Cyber threats are constantly evolving, making it imperative for organizations to stay informed and proactive. By implementing strong security measures, promoting awareness, and fostering a robust security culture, organizations can better protect themselves against the ever-present risks of cyber attacks. In this ongoing battle, knowledge is the best weapon against the cunning tactics of malicious hackers.